So you want to drink some?
I'm good.
Look at the delicious. So we are in Milford Sound. We're going to take a cruise on the MV Sinbad. Wait. Shoot that leaf a lot. Yes, too. They serve on board.
By Rocker, great voyaging canoes that carry people.
It's called Harrison Cove. This is a wilderness protection area. It has 4 things that are only found in Patagonia, outside of this area in the world. And that is, it has a fjord, a temperate rainforest, a glacier, and a mountain, all in one location. So they've protected it. The government's protected it, so no one can build any huts there, can walk there, can't really do anything there. It's just basically a complete nature protected preserve area because of this incredibly fragile ecosystem.